Yo, what is going on, G? We're here back today. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in War Thunder, and we're going to be testing out landing Army Air Corps, or now known as Air Force, aircraft on an aircraft carrier in World War II. So, I've actually done this with the P-36, C, A, and G. I'm going to do it with the G because that's the first one I did. Um, just to show you guys. Uh, it is kind of difficult, but I'm sure if you're a decent War Thunder pilot, you can do it. Now, this is a very unrealistic scenario, though. It's not really like you're gonna be doing this in a battle or any other time. It's just for fun. So if you're going to test fly something, see how powerful its brakes are, or see how well you can land it. Just this works pretty well. The thing with this is, if you're going too fast, you're just going to fly off the edge of the front of the ship. So you don't want to be going too fast. Also, there's a problem with if you cut your engine power and stop using it to move you forward, you're gonna start flying sideways, essentially. So you don't cut your engine until you are pretty much moving the right direction. And this can show you where enemy bandits. I don't see any enemy aircraft anywhere. Shut up. So we're coming in. I'm gliding in right now. Alright. Here we go. Yep, there. P-36G. Army Air Corps. And I can prove it's Army Air Corps when I'm flying again. But, they will not apparently repair or rearm you. Yeah, I just had to shoot my guns a little bit. Now, yeah. Billy, hurry up. Get those grease monkeys on me. Yeah, this aircraft is definitely not designed for that at all. That's why I'm so close to the edge of the carrier. Alright, so we got that, and it's actually not going to spawn me on the carrier because you can't really launch off the carrier. So it spawned me in the air at about 350 kilometers an hour. So, it doesn't say Army on the bottom of this one. Huh. That's odd. It's my own personal decals on it too. Alright then. So let's go get another aircraft. Now the thing is, I'm not going to do the 26. The 26, I can't even land those on a normal runway, so I'm not going to try that. The F-3Fs and the F-2As are, in fact, naval aircraft, and so are the SBD dive bombers. They are naval. And same with the F-3F. Pretty much F-class in general in World War II was Navy. So also PBY, that's not, you're not even supposed to land that on a normal airstrip. Got naval torpedo bomber. And the B-18 is got a wider wingspan than the carrier. So if we land, our wing is going to smack control tower, so I can't do that one. P-26s are just hard to land in general. Their brakes are in the front, and they are very front heavy. So they're just hard to land in general. So I'm not going to be doing that one. P400, I think we'll start with this one, or do this one next. I actually took the P400 one time, flew it up 11,000 meters somehow. I was just really patient that day. And I got my aircraft to Mach 0.81. And pretty much you're supposed to have to be in a jet to do that. Well past the max speed of level when you're flying level for this aircraft. The P400 has a lot of guns, as you can see. Yeah, we got, not sure. Yeah, so we have 3 nose guns and 2 in each wing, so that's, yeah, 7 guns. Now, it is also a very big or fast aircraft. It's actually a very small aircraft. As you can see, this cockpit is very tight, very crammed. But it's got a really big prop for its size, making it really fast, which in our case is a problem because we don't want to be moving that fast. So I'm going to lower my speed, or my engine power. Yep, lower speed. We're starting to get close. It's a very well designed aircraft, very okay to fly. Yeah, I think I'm moving too fast. If I put down my gear, I'll slow down. Oh wow, my gear goes down slowly. Yeah, 270 kilometers an hour. I'm not going to make this, but we can touch down. Yeah, I was still at 250 by the time I came off that edge. So 270 to 250. We went down about 100 or so. And then you got to factor in momentum, kinetic energy, potential energy, that stuff. So yeah, if we're going around 150, we should be able to stop. So I'm just gonna completely attempt not to go over 300. Let's see, where can I put my engine that will not? About here, okay. Also, the thing with Army aircraft is if you come in and you start flying up a bit, then you're gonna actually have wings angled back, and that's gonna be forcing air under you, and you're gonna have to move them like 50 very slowly to actually go down. So I actually have to stay up a bit in altitude. Start putting down our gear. I don't know how many of you guys play War Thunder. I don't know how many of you guys have landed on carriers before on War Thunder. I'll just say, depends on what you're flying. It can be very hard or it can be very easy. This thing does not like to slow down. I don't want to put my flaps on landing because that angles air down. Up, thank you. 200, still too fast. Maybe. Yeah, too fast, too fast, too fast. Yeah, I'm going down. These Tech 2 aircraft just make it harder. Let's try to get over 250 this time. I mean, that's really slow, especially for this aircraft. I have 30% engine power. This is pretty much cruising. Yeah, I know, I'm going very slow. You can see. have to move like very slow adjustments. This is yeah, we're under 200 right now. That's never good to be flying at. I really don't want to crash into the back of the carrier. Oh my word, this. Oh Jesus, that was close. Oh, I'm lagging. Alright, 2 aircraft. I don't think I'm going to be able to squeeze another one into this, but yeah, first time landing the P400 on a carrier. That's nice. Forgot to fire my gun so they'll repair it. So, if you guys want to see a part 2 of this, I'm asking to get 2 or 3 likes on the video. Sounds like a plan, and yeah. The aircraft will be repaired in 5 seconds. Reactor repaired in 5 seconds. Alright. I could probably launch a B400 off the back of a carrier, but I don't really want to try it. Well, yeah, I could probably do it. Also, I am planning on doing a sinking carriers, because that's really hard to do, and sinking all these big ships in general. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications, so that you know when I upload it. And I will go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Shake of War, signing off.